Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do this video with you today. In today's video, we are going to explore the powerful Excel function called XLOOKUP. You'll be wondering what XLOOKUP is, but don't worry, I'm going to put you through on a simple step on what it is and how to use it. First of all, XLOOKUP allows you to search for a value in a table and retrieve a corresponding value from another column. The syntax is very simple. XLOOKUP is a combination of lookup value, lookup array, and return array. Let me break it down. This is a start list of XYZ group of company. Please note that this is a fictitious data. This company has about 501 staff. You don't want to scroll back and forth to get an employee name or an employee ID. So this is where XLOOKUP comes to play. Okay, so to get the formula, you use equals to XLOOKUP, bracket opens, the lookup value, which is B5, comma, the lookup array, which is B10 to B51, B510, comma, and the lookup return array, which is C10 to C510, bracket close, enter. Now you've gotten the formula to search for each employee name using the employee ID. So therefore, you want to search for employee ID number 300. You just put the employee ID number under the employee ID and then you click enter. The name comes out under employee name. So if you go to employee ID number 300, what's the name on 300 is 300, sorry, 300 is T. Employee ID name number 300, the name is T. So we got T in our search box. So the same thing, you want to look for employee ID number 501, right? And just put the employee ID number and then click enter. Nathan, are you in 501? Yeah, we got Nathan in 501. So if you want to search for employee ID number, let's say 1 is closer. Olivia, employee ID number 9, enter. That's Evelyn. Employee ID number 6, that's Isabella. The advantages of using this XLOOKUP is that it performs both vertical and horizontal lookups, and using columns and references. So it is a perfect for complex data sets and situations where column order may change. So congratulations, you have learned the basics of XLOOKUP. It's a powerful function that enhances your Excel skills and productivity. Explore and leverage XLOOKUP to tackle complex data challenges. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials and even Power BI tutorials too. Thank you. See you next time on my next video. Bye.